How to find missing app icon on Android phone home screen. First of all, make sure that you scroll through all of the pages in your home screen. In this case, let's search for Facebook in my home screen. I can't seem to find Facebook, so what I will do is slide up. Then a menu bar will open with all of the apps installed in the device. Find Facebook, press and hold it, then slightly move it and suddenly it will move to the home screen. Now you can place your app wherever you want. One more thing that you can do is slide up, and if you can't seem to find your app even in the app menu, go to the search bar, then search for the app that you want. And now that it's appeared, click on it and slightly move, and again it will go to the home screen and you can place it wherever you want. And that's it. That's how you find missing app icon on Android phone home screen. If you think this video was helpful, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.